Hey there. Welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And we're talking about the Tuesday order flow signal for 11/29/22. And most importantly, what are the three takeaways for 11/30/22 trade plan? Okay, for the Wednesday 11:30 trade plan, the three takeaways are number one, the 5-minute order flow chart's working best, so it's the greatest of all time trigger for now. Number two takeaway, reduced day trade price range equals reduced profit target. So what's working for me is if I've got 5 to 6 trade sequences in a session, I've reduced the profit targets to 2.5 handles. And that's as of Tuesday, subject to change due to market conditions. And third takeaway, do not wait for exact Keltner hits on the Renko chart. Muted range days usually have much less frequency hitting the Keltners. 24 hours, so last Friday, short session, we had a sell signal -7 delta. Here we are almost at noon hour Eastern Standard Tuesday with this green candle, and we're flirting with trying to break through middle Bollinger Band. Bulls need this badly because if they can't close today above, then again, the bears have a chance here to have continuation lower. The second red arrow here, we do have a buy signal on a delta -80. However, the order flow on the inbox histogram, strength of the punches, we're below zero here for the third day, although this is a buy imbalance. So buyers are absorbing the sell, but cumulatively here, delta is below zero. Not a lot of rocket fuel happening here. Loving the 120 here because this confirms what I was suspecting. Let's look at the order flow. The middle Bollinger Band was captured and then negated here after 21 candles below it. On the order flow strength of the punches, you can see here we're no longer in the deep sell zone on the strength of the punches, but there's still no robust buying in. Cumulative delta tells it all. We are absolutely no green buying. The point here is bulls are absolutely not having any escape velocity. Next chart. Okay, Renko Hama Keltner. The takeaway here is although we've got upper Keltner not being hit and the lower Keltner here not being hit, it was close enough, and these were major signals. So I'm going to be looking for the Wednesday AM and Globex. If we get close enough, I'm not going to be trying to be too picky about the actual hits because it's just not been happening on an 18 handle range day so far. So again, loving and trusting the order flow strength of the hits here. You can see here on the product, we're definitely got support on demand and supply is diminished here, but I'm not playing it. I'm done for the day, and we've got an order flow signal buy here. Next chart. The 5-minute go-to chart for me has been working, so take a look here with these red arrows. These are where I got involved on Tuesday. The key here for me on the order flow was the open range 1 minute. You can see here we had price before the open an hour before in that range. Then we had the open range. Price goes above it, can't hold, comes back down. So that was the play here, taking basically 2-handle scalps, multiple sequences, and then calling it a day early. I'm going to stick with this plan. Primary chart is going to be the 5-minute, 1-minute charts for the entry and exits, but this is going to be the GOAT for now, the 5-minute.